Hello, welcome to CAC Online Business Registration. I'm your friend, Fabulous Aniche. Alright, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you where to get the documents you'll be uploading to CAC and where to upload them. So let's go straight to the tutorial. Okay, so this is CAC portal. You can see the login and registration. So this is my user name and password. So I'll log in. So I've already reserved the name and also I've started the registration. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach you, where to get the documents you will be uploading to CAC. The first thing you do when registering a business name, or a business, whatever it is with CAC, is to reserve a name. So after reserving your name and your name has been approved or disapproved, actually approved. So when your name is reserved, so you can come here and then click on reserve. Can you see that? So once you click on reserve, you will see this is your approval note. So you click on approval note and then you have to download this approval notes because it's necessary. So you click on print. Once you click on print, it's going to prompt up this. Can you see that? It will prompt up. I think it's loading up. Let's wait for it a little. So it will prompt up the preview. So you can see. So you can save. So if, for example, the destination is saying something else, save to whatever. So you can actually select save as PDF and then click on save. So when you click on save, it's going to be saved into your system. So I already have this in my system. No need. So that is how to do that. So you'll be uploading this particular document to your CAC, document upload portal. Okay, so that is the first document. Then another one is the payment. Payment is very important. The payment document. So let me show you how to get your payment document. After you must have paid for your CAC business registration fee, there is a receipt that remitter sent to your email. Some CAC branches, they don't accept that receipt. They prefer that you show them the one from CAC. So this is how you get the one from CAC. So you come to this place, you can see document and then payment history. So you click on payment history. Now can you see that? So it's 5,000 naira at this time. The federal government is giving bonus on every business registration. So you can see. So this is how you get your CAC receipt, apart from the one that remitter sent to your email. Also take note, I want to address this issue now. Sometimes CAC will send you an email that your payment failed. Actually, it's not always true. I always get that email whenever I make payment. So the most important thing is that your payment was successful on remitter when you were making it. So you can always come to this place and download your CAC receipt. So let's just click on download receipt. You see the receipt will be opened. So this is the receipt, and then you go and say print. So once you click on print, you choose save as PDF. So that is how. So this is the second document you'll be uploading. I will show you where to upload it in this tutorial. So let's go back to my registration. So I'm having a pending registration. I've actually done all these things, but I just want to show you to address a lot of questions that persons have been asking me. Alright, so the next document is your registration document. This is it. Can you see that? Your application form for business. This is actually the one you have to download, print out, and then sign. You can see. So this is the business I'm registering. So this is, you have to fill in this, put your passport here, you will sign here, write date. Then if you're registering a business name, there's no for yourself, you can just ignore all this space. Then you come down to this place and then sign one of these places. If you like, you can sign the two, but there's no need, one is enough. So that is when you must have printed it. So to download it into your system, just do the same thing. Click on print, and then you will see the preview here, save as PDF or as whatever you want to. You can choose from this option. Okay, so I already have all these documents. Then let's go over to how you can upload it. So to upload it, you need to go back to my registration. You click on your business name. So we will need this number. This is actually your name availability code. You will need it. So you click on document again. Then this time around, you have to click on document upload service. You see that? You click on document upload service. Then you paste that availability code here. Paste it here. Then you choose the originating branch, office. That is where you're going to be collecting your certificate. You must have done this before now when registering your business. So mine is Delta, and then I'll put I'm not. You verify your recaptcha, then you click on begin. You see, so this is actually where you upload your documents. Okay, it will bring out your business name. Then, as you can see, I've actually uploaded the 3 documents. This is availability printer, that is the evidence of registration. This is payment receipt that I showed you how to download. And then this is your identification. This can be your international passport, your birth certificate, your national ID, whatever, driving license, whatever identification that you have that is accepted by CAC. You see, so I already have 3 here, so it must be 4. It must be 4. So the last one is actually you see, so we are doing business name registration. That is the part A. So this is for persons that are registering business name. So if you are registering a company or a non-profit organization, you make use of all these ones. So I will come here and look at the business name form, business name registration form. So that is the next thing that I have to upload. So I will go and look for the document, choose file. So this is it here. I have it here. So I'll just click open, and then I'll click attach. Make sure that you choose the right stuff from here. So we're uploading business name registration. That is the registration form. That is the one remaining. So I'll click on attach. Can you see that? So it will be attached to this place. Can you see that? So it's 4. So this form alone is 3 pages. So you have to convert it to PDF. You have to scan it, convert it to PDF. You can scan with your phone, you can scan with the normal scanner. So after you are done with this, next thing is to click on submit. Click on submit. Say, are you sure you want to submit? Say yes. So once you submit, see, you will see that application submitted successfully. Get that? So when we go back to this place now, you see that to our dashboard. Sorry, let's go back to our dashboard. Sorry about the notification. Okay. Oh, I've been logged out. So let me just log in. I want to show you something. Okay, an error occurred, but nevertheless, that is just the last thing you have to do. Then when you come back to your dashboard, you will see that it's pending approval. So when CAC approve it or disapprove it, they're going to send you an email, or you can always come back here to check. So that is how it works. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I do a lot of videos, that are helpful, that you need, to stay productive, to stay productive, to do some things yourself. So encourage me by subscribing, to this channel for more videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.